In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a voice pop-up form tracking for Google Analytics 4. As you can see, this is my website and my pop-up form already connected with this website. And now I need to set up this tracking. And for this, I will use Google Tag Manager because this is smart and easiest way to set up conversion tracking. So first of all, you need to connect Google Tag Manager and then go to preview and paste the website URL here and then connect. You can see my website is connecting to Google Tag Manager. And when the website will loaded, just do a test event because we need to see what will be the unique event we are getting in our tag assistant. So I am just inputting the demo and you can see it's submitted, and when I go the tag assistant, you can see WisePops completed a unique event are already here. So I just copy this event name and make a trigger. So this trigger is very important to us because it will help us to send the event to our analytics dashboard, like whatever analytics you want to send this event. So you can see our trigger is ready, and now it's time to set up a tag because tag actually the main thing to send us the event. So let's find the tag. So you need to search here, but for this video I already seen the Google Analytics tag is here. So I just want to make the Google tag first, and we need a measurement ID. So go to Google Analytics dashboard and you can see my website is opening. And then when we go on the admin and then data collections and then data streams, and then click on here and you can see this is the measurement ID. Just copy it and paste it here. It is a tag ID and trigger will be all page. It's important, and then save it. Now we need to make a GA4 event. So that's why we need to go on the new again and select the GA4 event template. So you can see Google Analytics GA4 event, and we need to input here exact same measurement ID, and you can see the tag found in this container. And now choose the event name. For this video and this event, I want to choose generate lead, and just select the exact trigger we have made few moments ago and then save it. And when you have done, it's already made, and now we need to make sure about that. So that's why we need to go on the preview mode again and we need to do the test event. So you can see my website is loading on the Google Tag Manager preview, and when it will done, I need to find that event, and you can see this event and pop-up is not coming because of the cookie. I already completed one event, so that's why it's not showing. So I just want to delete the cookie for this website. Just delete and then done, and I want to do reload, and then you can see this pop-up will showing. Yeah, this showing, and then just do like input the one demo email again. So you can see it's showing here, and then submit, and after that you can see our tag is firing. So that means it's successfully working. And if I go on the report section, and then if I want to see the real-time data, you can see real-time data is showing. So let's see. Yeah, generate lead is here. That means it's working perfectly. So that's it. If you need my assist, open my calendar link and book a 15-minute free pre-project call with your date and time, and then fill up a little steps. I would love to assist you. If you think this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up because it helps me to continue working on this channel. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Nasim and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.